that first discovery day,
Yeah.
it was an eye-opener, and I learned a lot just from that.
Okay.
So I knew that signing up to it, getting the next 12 months at least,
Yeah.
was definitely going to be beneficial.
All right, guys, we are joined here by Jake from Frampton Solar, and I just wanted to speak to you, Jake, today about the actual discovery day. Were you sceptical about coming onto a discovery day? What did you know about Trade Mastermind
I
before?
wasn't sure. I didn't know much about it. To be honest, everything that I heard on that first day was stuff that I was thinking about for a long time.
Yeah.
I always felt like I know where I needed to be.
Mm-hmm.
There's little things that I needed to unlock,
Yeah.
and I didn't know what it was. That first discovery day,
Yeah.
it was an eye-opener, and I learned a lot just from that.
Okay.
So I knew that signing up to it, getting the next 12 months at least,
Yeah.
was definitely going to be beneficial. Even just for example, EV chargers, I think we did 2 in a year.
Yeah.
I did 10 a month that I signed up to Trade Mastermind.
2 in a year to 10 a month.
We had a little bit of a month
Uh-huh.
in between, just purely putting things into place.
Mhm.
And then we started again, we did 20.
So, what's your words of advice?
Just do it, because on that opening day that I went to, there was a few people who came 12 months before and regretted that they didn't sign up 12 months
Right, okay.
previous.
Yeah.
And they came back, and that was one of the things I thought, definitely not miss this chance.
Yeah.
Because in the end, you'd end up coming back and you've missed 12 months. So fast tracking it is essentially what this does do.
Yeah.